Dexter, please don't tell me you're in here doing scientifically insignificant experiments again. You'll never be as smart as me, Dexter. You'll never be as smart as me, Dexter.
Message, thought I defecated gold, thought I pooped necklace. Had my berry wand in palm, then I poofed reckless. Keep calm, carry on back. That shit too heavy, you can't carry the world with butterfingers. Don't go playing Jenga with your life. Sit down, be quiet, a wise man was silent. If you ain't learned nothing, you gon' learn tonight. Thought I was so smart, thought I was so smart. To God pulled up like Mandard, fucking up my lab like Mandard. Thought I was so smart, to God pulled up like Mandard. That nigga was like
Look, born a star to come but wasn't so cosmic and enlightened. One once told me a new light gon' make your eyes twitch. Don't trust new niggas, only a few niggas. Got on my Donnie blowing it blue niggas. If you don't know nothing, you better know slight difference is still too different. That tweeting beef for the birds, they dusty, probably got goose in them. Paint like what's a brain, my colors missing the canvas. I could paint Orange County red till I'm blue and still won't be candid, nah. Concrete now, this rose knows not one greenhouse. Showing off jealous green, sowing seeds got a green. Thumb on the button, won't pump it up, I'll play truth for truth. I won't stunt for nothing. You average Joe don't talk stuff for fun. It's impossible to play imposter. Baby, this pacifier straight your posture. I've had skeletons since my Plato's closet. Take my honor. Feel like I do you honors, fake it honest. Let's put this tat for tat shit games behind us. You got it.
So smart. Thought I was so smart. To God pulled up like Mandard, fucking up my lab like Mandard. Thought I was so smart. To God pulled up like Mandard. That nigga was like
Dexter, where are you, Dexter? When are you going to just willfully submit to my superiority and stop avoiding the inevitable? Resistance is futile, Dexter. Surrender, Dexter. Surrender!
It's gonna be okay.
Dexter!
What, you know I hear you, I heard you, I'm working. What is your purpose? Why are you here? Like, why do you need my service? Why not Young Thugger or shit any other functioning motherfucker who just be fucking pretty women, smoking weed and living luxury, living in luxury? Why I gotta carry the mustard seed, volcano scrapple constantly? Why I gotta erupt? You see, this is kinda interrupting me. My life was so bubbly, but now I gotta go back and get back on track with a train of thought I had left behind. Are you telling me we all did life like 11 times 1,000 until we propel a flying to a dimension that wasn't televised, but you only make it there if you hella die daily, hella type shady. I'm sick of being lazy, I'm sick of feeling crazy, I'm sick of feeling sick as a result of some shit I could've did. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I misinterpreted all, but it feels right. I gotta feel right, man, I gotta feel whole.
Down, watching my life go down, watching my life go down, watching my life go down.
I'm right where I'm supposed to be. I am well, I have health, I have joy, I have happiness, I have peace, I have life, I have love. I am right where I'm supposed to be. I am right where I'm supposed to be. I am right where I'm supposed to be. I